Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to undo completed tasks on Todoist. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and head over to Todoist. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. This ensures you have access to all your tasks and projects so you can manage them effectively. After logging in, wait a moment while the system loads and you'll be directed to Todoist's main dashboard. This is your central workspace where all your tasks and projects are organized. Now, to undo a completed task, direct your attention to the left side menu. Here, you'll see several Todoist tabs and functions that help you navigate through different sections of the platform. From this menu, click on the Project tab where all your tasks are listed. This is where you'll find both your active and completed tasks organized by project. The process of undoing a completed task from here is quite straightforward and only takes a few clicks. Simply locate the completed task that you wish to undo. You'll be able to identify completed tasks easily because they have a strike-through line running through the task details. This visual indicator helps you quickly distinguish between tasks you've finished and those still pending. Once you've found the task you want to undo, hover your cursor over it. You'll notice a check mark appears next to the task. This check mark is what marked the task as complete in the first place. Go ahead and click on this check mark to undo the task. As soon as you click it, the task will be restored to its active state and the strike-through will disappear. The task will now reappear in your active task list, ready for you to complete again when needed. And that's it. You've successfully undone a completed task on Todoist, bringing it back to your active task list so you can manage it accordingly. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.